In this video, I explain how to calculate the length of list. Suppose that we have a list of cities and our task is to calculate its length. The function to be used to calculate length in Python is ln small bracket. Write the name of your list, which is name underscore cities is the name of list. Bracket close, run. As you see, there is three elements: London, Paris, and New York. So by using len command, this is taken from word length. You can calculate the length of any list. If you like video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.